To find the web page you want, you have to click on a web page hyperlink or enter a URL, a Uniform Resource Locator, into a browser. The URL is the address of the page. When you do that, the browser sends the URL to a DNS server. The DNS server is the domain name server. It uses a lookup table to find the IP address of the web server, referred to in the URL. The IP address is a unique 32-bit set of numbers. Every computer on the web has its own IP address. Once the DNS server has found the IP address, it sends it back to the browser. The browser then uses this IP address to send a request to the web server. The request is sent as a series of separate data packets, which include both the IP address of the web server and the IP address of the browser computer. These data packets are first sent to a router computer, which uses the IP address of the web server to determine the best available route for each packet. The packets are passed from router to router until they reach the web server. They may travel by different routes before reaching the server. As the individual packets reach the web server, they're put back together again. The web server now services the request by sending the requested web page back to the browser computer. Again, it travels as a series of separate data packets from router to router. This time, the router uses the IP address of the browser computer to work out the best available path for each packet. As the packets arrive at the browser computer, they're combined to form the web page you requested and are displayed in your browser.